everyone. It has been a while. I haven't posted a video in I don't know how long, like a couple weeks, couple months, whatever. But I'm always here. I'm always outside. What's good? It's Zachy SJ here, coming to you live. Bringing to you guys a review on the new Ryobi 1900 PSI pressure washer. I just recently replaced my AR Blue 350. It was a 1600 PSI pressure washer. This one is 1900. After working with it for a couple weeks, I was able to learn it, and it's a pretty good pressure washer. It comes with a couple different tips that I'm going to be able to show you in the video. So let's go on with it. Alright guys, so this is the Ryobi 1900 PSI 1.2 GPM electric pressure washer. That's the box, and this is the actual system itself. Pretty good setup. Comes with your hose right here. Power connection right here. The gun comes apart and places right on the side. And as a bonus, I will be also reviewing the Ryobi Foam cannon that they have. This actually sells for, I think, $30 at Home Depot. Let's connect this bad boy. Some of you may be like, oh, your hose is weird. Yeah, actually this is a metal hose. I actually recommend it to everyone out there that honestly uses a garden hose or something, because it doesn't kink or anything. They last longer. Once you have every hose connected, you can go ahead and turn on your pressure washer. When you turn on the button, you're going to hear the motor run, and it's going to build up pressure. And then you want to go to your selection of tips. So this is the turbo nozzle. This is going to be the highest PSI nozzle. I'll put it in the middle. You can pull down with one hand. You're gonna hear a click, and you're all set. Being sold widely at stores like Home Depot and Lowe's, so it's easy to get your hands on, and it does the job pretty well. Next step in the maintenance wash, I'm going to be using the snow foam wash inside the Ryobi foam cannon. It works pretty well. We have it pre-mixed, but usually I go 4 ml of soap and then just fill the rest with water. Important part is you want to shake it, get those suds up. Now there's 2 settings. You can go soap, or you can turn it off and it'll just spray water. Let's put it on the foam cannon. Always remember to put your tips back, because you don't want to lose these. You can go get replacements, but better off save your money. Just keep the ones you get. Now the foam cannon also connects just as the tips do. Pull that down. Make sure it's snug in there. Put it on soap. Even got some on the E46. Just for maintenance washes, I just run the car twice with a foam cannon. brake dust in the front wheels. Now we're just hitting the X5 with some soap too. So lastly, I wanted to show the turbo nozzle. This is the nozzle that's rated for the highest PSI, recommended on concrete work or anything, you know, tougher stuff. It's not recommended on paint. To me, it's not that strong, but the stream that it makes is pretty cool. Alright, so here's the cars after the wash. Keep in mind, I did not physically touch or scrub the car. I just let the pressure washer do the job, and the car's coming out super clean. The X5 looks glossy as heck. Let's check the E90. E90 is looking very clean. The E46 is looking clean. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you guys found this helpful at all or anything, I would definitely go ahead and pick one of those Ryobi 1900 PSI pressure washers up from Home Depot or something. I think they retail for about $150. It's a good model. Alright, so this is for you E46 guys. Anyone that has an MTech 1, I have a Rieger MTech 1 lip. It's cracked all around. Would probably need to be repainted and repaired, but figured I don't want to just let it go to waste. It's a pretty good lip for the MTech 1. So I'm gonna be putting it on for sale. You're about to see me take it off now. Alright, now it's off. Whoever wants it, let me know. Send me a message. Leave a comment.